What if I told you that Pepe could explode another 300 to 400 or even 500% in 2025 going in 2026? Would you believe me? Well, in this video, we're going to be having a look at that. Pepe is currently ranked number 32. And the good thing about this is that the market cap is only sitting at $5.7 billion. Now, you might be thinking, oh, $5.7 billion, that's so much. Well, if we have a look right here at the current market cap, it's currently sitting at $3.47 trillion. Okay, we're talking about trillion. Now, we know in this bull market right here, we know the market cap should go anywhere between $7 to $10 trillion. If we look at previous history, pretty much explodes drastically, and the total market cap really goes to all-time high every time. And we know that in the last bull market, we saw it peak all the way to a $3 trillion. Right now, we only saw it peak to as high as $3.7 trillion. Of course, we have not seen an altcoin season yet. Bitcoin right now is currently exploding. Bitcoin is currently pumping as I am speaking and as I am making this video right here. You guys can see that Bitcoin was essentially consolidating in a nice little beautiful ascending triangle or horizontal triangle, whatever you guys want to call it. Obviously, we're not going to pump forever. We consolidated and now we're essentially breaking out. The big question is, are we going to have that retest? Is this a fake out? How is this candle going to essentially close? Now, this is a 6-hour candle right here. If we have a look at the 4-hour candle, we know that the 4-hour candle is what we want to essentially have a look at. The 4-hour candle right here does close in about 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour and 47 seconds. That's when the 4-hour candle closes. The next hour candle will be closing in about 43 seconds. So this is going to be very crucial, not only for Bitcoin, Ethereum, but it's going to be very crucial for Pepe. Now, if we have a look right here at Pepe, I'm going to be diving straight into the Pepe chart. No bullshit, just a quick technical analysis. First of all, Pepe right now, if you guys remember my last video, I did mention right here that we're most likely going to have a pullback to this line. Go back and check my last video on Pepe. I mentioned that this resistance right here, or this support, was going to be a nice little retest. Now, of course, like in every technical analysis, you're not going to be perfect, okay? We did fall down, I'm not going to lie, a few percent, 15, 16%. But guess what? We came down 18% instead of 15%. But guess what? This was a good entry. And if you essentially got right here and you put your stop loss right here at 4.27%. Now, why 4.27%? Well, you guys can see we did wick below this level right here, as you guys can see. So we do have a wick right here at this level, and obviously this is a very important level. So we came back down just a couple more percent more than what I predicted or what my analysis was, and then we flew back up. If you would essentially put a stop loss right here, let's say 5.5%, you would still been up 10% today. And of course, if we're talking about leverage, we're looking anywhere between, if you're doing 3 to 5x leverage, which is in my opinion very doable, we're looking between anywhere between 30 to 50% return right here. Now, the big question is will we break this resistance right here? Obviously, this is a pretty big important resistance right here. If Pepe manages to break, you guys can expect a massive pump to the upside. Now, a pump all the way to 19 will make it a 40% pump. Like I said, assuming you're on, let's say, even 10x leverage, that is a 4x return. Okay, now let's have a look on the daily time frame real quick. Okay, daily time frame is looking pretty good. Something that I'm not really a fan of on the daily time frame is essentially this right here. The stochastic RSI, or the regular RSI, sorry, is a little bit overbought. I'm not gonna lie. Now, we know historically every time we are a little bit overbought, things are not good. It means that the charts are looking to essentially pull back. Now, are we going to get a rejection right here on the moving average on the RSI? If we do, you could expect another pullback. But guess what? That doesn't matter, because look what happened. Boom, we saw it happening right here. We saw it happening right here. And can we see it happening right here? Maybe, maybe not. If you guys remember, also in my shorts, I did mention that if you essentially want to make money and you want to be in the Ethereum Pepe ecosystem, I would probably suggest buying Pepe instead of Ethereum, especially if you're a big ETH guy. And the reason why is because every time Ethereum is going to pump, Pepe is going to pump twice as high. You guys can see right here that from an all-time low on the daily time frame, Pepe is up 166%. Now, even though Ethereum is not up that high, it's close. I'm not going to lie. We're looking at 81% gain. So almost double. Okay. Now, of course, as Ethereum keeps on pumping, Pepe will keep on pumping as well. So it's only a matter of time. Oh my God, you guys can't even see that. Let me redo this right here. You guys can see that every time. Now, the big question right here is, will Ethereum break above this area right here? This is a very important on the moving average, guys. Exponential moving average are probably one of the most important indicators, at least for me. You guys can see right here on the weekly time frame, every time we are trending below it, it's usually a bearish sign. When we are trending above it, it's a bullish sign. When we are trending below it, once again, it's a bearish sign. And of course, right now is a area of conflict. Will Ethereum break above these exponential moving average? You guys can see right here, this was a very bearish signal right here when we broke below it. Guess what happened after? We broke above it. We became a little bit bullish. We were bearish right here for multiple weeks. I'd say 2-3 months before exploding and essentially being very, very bullish since from October 2023 all the way to March 2024. So of course, this indicator works on a longer term. If you're a long-term investor, a long-term swinger, this would work very, very well. If you're a short trader and you want to do it on the 1 hour time frame, it's probably not going to work because you guys can see it's working right now perfectly too. But obviously, it works better on the monthly or the weekly time frame, in my opinion. So Pepe, guys, is looking good. It looks like things are breaking out. We're gonna see how the weekly ends. If the weekly does end in a doji right here, as you guys can see, maybe we could see a potential reversal, but of course nothing is guaranteed. If you guys do like this video, of course, on Pepe, on Ethereum, and on Bitcoin, make sure you guys smash the subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video.